So guys, welcome buddy, welcome. Welcome guys सभी को जो भी स्ट्रीम पे आ रहे हो सभी को welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream guys, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream guys, welcome to the stream. And I hope everyone is good. So how are you guys? कैसे हो भाई? How are you भाई? कैसे हो सब लोग? एंड सभी को स्वागत है हमारी स्ट्रीम पे, जो भी स्ट्रीम पे आ रहे हो, ठीक है? सभी को स्वागत है भाई हमारी स्ट्रीम पे. सो बताओ भाई कैसे हो एंड क्या कर रहे हो, ठीक है? एवरीबॉडी तो चैट हो. How are you guys? How are you? And welcome to the stream. Yes. Welcome to the stream, bro. Welcome to the stream. सभी को. Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome to the stream. And I hope everyone is good. So भाई बताओ कैसे हो एंड कहाँ से हो भाई? बताओ भाई बताओ. एंड वेलकम बड़ी सभी को जो भी स्ट्रीम पे आ रहे हो. भाई आई ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट वन पीस भाई. इट्स ऑसम. वन पीस इज ऑसम. आई थिंक वन पीस इज माई फेवरेट नाउ भाई. भाई मुझे भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि भाई वन पीस मेरा फेवरेट हो चुका है भाई. इतना बढ़िया ना भाई, क्या बताओ. स्पेशली भाई जब भाई वन वॉर स्टार्ट होता है उसके बाद से भाई, जब से भाई लूफी योन को बन जाता है तब से तो भाई एकदम क्या बताओ, एकदम कुछ अलग ही चल रहा है भाई. तब से एकदम बढ़िया है. सो आई थिंक वन पीस इज़ माई फेवरेट. भाई आई थिंक वन पीस गोइंग टू माई फेवरेट. आई थिंक भाई इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, क्या बताओ भाई. स्पेशली भाई जब गियर 5 आता है ना तब से भाई एकदम कुछ अलग ही लग रहा है. तब से तो कुछ एकदम अलग ही फील हो रहा है जब से गियर 5 आया है. गियर 5 वॉरियर ऑफ लिबरेशन ब्रो. इट्स द वॉरियर ऑफ लिबरेशन. तब से तो भाई एकदम, तब से सब कुछ भाई बदल चुका है. तब से तो एकदम सब कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है. जब से नीका आया, नीका द सन गॉड नीका, तब से तो भाई सब कुछ एकदम कुछ अलग ही लग रहा है. सब कुछ एकदम बढ़िया लग रहा है भाई, क्या बताऊँ. हाँ अभी तो भाई मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ कि भाई मांगा भी पढ़ो उसका भाई. बट वही मांगा पढ़ने में मैं भी पहले पढ़ा नहीं ना मांगा. सो अभी मुझे पढ़ने में ना थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. सो इसीलिए अभी तक स्टार्ट नहीं किया. बट सोच रहा हूँ कि कर दूँ. देखते क्या होता है. एंड सभी को स्वागत यार हमारी स्ट्रीम पे ब्रो. वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम भाई लोग. सभी को वेलकम बड़ी वेलकम. एंड जो भी स्ट्रीम पे आ रहे हो भाई सभी को स्वागत यार हमारी स्ट्रीम पे. सो भाई चैट करो भाई, ठीक है एवरीबॉडी. एंड सेड ब्रो कि भाई आप लोगों ने देखा है भाई, एनीवन भाई किसी ने देखा है वन पीस ब्रो. इट्स ऑसम. आई जस्ट कैन टेल इट्स ऑसम भाई. जब गियर 5 आता है ना भाई, क्या बताओ उसका पावर एकदम भाई कुछ अलग ही है भाई. वो भाई इमेजिनेशन पावर आ जाता है भाई. क्या कुछ भी भाई इमेजिनेशन पावर आ जाता है भाई. वो कोई कुछ अलग ही है भाई, तुम बता सकते हो. सो बताओ भाई तुम लोग कैसे हो एंड कैसे जा रहे हैं सब कुछ भाई बताओ. एंड सभी को वेलकम बड़ी जो भी स्ट्रीम पे आ रहे हो, ठीक है. एंड अगर आप लोग चैनल पर नए हो तो भाई करो यार, चैट वगैरह करो एंड बताओ कि कहाँ से हो, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या नहीं, क्या पसंद करते हो, क्या नहीं. दैट्स ऑल. कुछ भी. ओके. एंड इट्स नाइस टू मीट यू अगैन गाइस. नाइस टू मीट यू अगैन. सो बताओ कैसे हो आप लोग एंड कैसे जा रहा है सब कुछ. हाउ योर डे इज गोइंग ब्रदर. कैसा जा रहा है सब कुछ भाई लोग. हाउ योर डे इज गोइंग ब्रो. हाउ योर डे इज गोइंग. वेलकम बड़ी. वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम गाइस. वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. सो जस्ट से समथिंग. ओके. एंड सभी को स्वागत है हमारी स्ट्रीम पे, जो भी स्ट्रीम पे आ रही हो. ठीक है. सो बताओ भाई कैसे हो एंड क्या कर रहे हो, क्या नहीं, कुछ बता सकते हो कुछ भी. सो बताओ भाई कैसे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, क्या नहीं. सो से गाइस सही ब्रो. एंड सभी को वेलकम बड़ी, जो भी स्ट्रीम पे आ रहे हो. ठीक है. हाउ आर यू. आई एम गुड बडी. अच्छा हो भाई. तुम बताओ व्हाट अबाउट यू. तुम कैसे हो भाई लोग, तुम कैसे हो. एंड सभी को स्वागत है हमारी स्ट्रीम पे ब्रो, जो भी स्ट्रीम पे आ रहे हो. ठीक है. सभी को स्वागत है. सो से समथिंग एंड या जस्ट से समथिंग गाइस. ओके. दैट्स ऑल. That's all. Just say something. Just say something guys. Okay. And सभी को स्वागत है हमारी स्ट्रीम पे, जो भी स्ट्रीम पे आ रहे हो. ठीक है. वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम ब्रो. वेलकम टू स्ट्रीम. वेलकम भाई लोग. वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम गाइस. वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. सो कैसे जा रहा है सब कुछ. हाउ योर डे इज गोइंग. हाउ योर डे इज गोइंग गाइस. हाउ योर डे इज गोइंग. एंड आई होप कि भाई सब लोग अच्छे हो एंड अच्छा ही जा रहा है सब कुछ. सो दैट्स ऑल. आपकी सब लोग अच्छे हो एंड अच्छा ही जा रहा है. वेलकम बड़ी. वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम भाई लोग. सो बताओ कैसे हो एंड क्या कर रहे हो. Hey yo, hey bro, hey, welcome. Yo, do you use Discord? Of course, why not? Of course, yeah. What do you ask for? Yes, of course I'm using Discord. What do you ask for, buddy? Why? What do you ask for? It's great to meet you, buddy. Can we both watch match arm wrestling? Yeah, but I can't watch right now because I'm doing stream on my mobile phone, so I can watch at the same time when I'm streaming. So after streaming I can watch. After streaming I definitely can watch, bro. But yo, yes, but I don't like sports too much for watching. I just most of the time just watching by anime. That's all. By the way, me not a bro. So what? Big bro. Okay, big bro. Okay, big bro. It's nice to meet you again. Nice to meet you, buddy. So, how are you? How are you? How are you? How are you, bro? Arisu. 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 Wait. I heard that name somewhere. Just a second. Arisu. Arisu. Arisu-chan. Arisu. Just a second. Arisu. I just. Uh, Arisu. Just a second. Arisu. Alliance of the Borderlands. Alliance of the Borderlands. By yes, I heard about that name. Alliance of the Borderlands. Arisu is the main character in that web series. Arisu. Yeah, that good name. Arisu. Oh, Halchan Messiah. Arisu, my island. Oh, Hel Hilachi. You Hilachi Messiah? Oh, what do you mean? I don't understand what I'm saying. Arisu, my RL name. Okay, it's good. I like that name, bro. Really, I like that name. Arisu. It's cool, and that character is cool also. Did you watch our Allies of the Borderlands? That web series main character is Arisu. I think you already watched. That's why you using his name. Maybe I'm not sure, but I think you watched already. It's amazing. Where are you from? I'm from India, of course. What about you? Where are you from? I'm from India, of course, buddy. Where are you from? It's nice to meet you, buddy. It's nice to meet you. Oh, I'm from Japan. Seriously? Oh man, you're the first one. Someone come here for Japan. I really like. I like your countries and your culture, especially your culture and kimono. You know about Nagasaki Goto? Nagasaki Goto. I heard about that name, but I barely remember. I I don't remember what I heard about that name, but I obviously heard about that name before. Nagasaki, Nagasaki, Goto, Nagasaki. It's a railway station, metro station, Nagasaki. Oh, I forgot, but I, I already heard about somewhere. City. Oh, city is a city. Okay, okay. It's like Shibuya. Shibuya also city, right? It's like Shibuya. Yeah, I remember that name, Shibuya. Yeah. Nagasaki. I heard about that name. It's Jujutsu Kaisen. In Jujutsu Kaisen, yes. In Jujutsu Kaisen, I heard about that name. Man. Yo, man. Seriously, I never thought someone come from Japan. Yo, man. I'm really happy today. So, which one is your favorite anime? Do you watch anime? Of course, you watch anime. So, which anime is your favorite? Which one is your favorite anime? Man, I like your countries, your culture, your festival, and your fireworks, and I especially like your dresses like kimono. I really like kimono. Someday I wanna try kimono. I really like that, and I wanna enjoy your festivals. Oh man, it's crazy. I really like arigato. Oh wait, arigato mean I forgot arigato. What is it? Yeah, arigato. It's thank you, right? Arigato. Yeah, I don't know Japanese language, but yeah, I know something maybe. Arigato. Arigato. It's mean thank you. I think. Yeah. Then in both season you're kidding me. You're kidding me. Seriously, you're kidding me. You're kidding me. Do you know me? Or you are my friend just playing with me maybe? What a coincidence. Not a coincidence. The angel next door is also my favorite. It's also my favorite. I already watched season 1, and season 1 is maybe is not fully released. All episodes is not released yet, but season 2 is already come. Man, The Angel Next Door is also my favorite. It's beautiful anime. Yes, it's my favorite anime. It's my favorite. It's a normal story, but I like so much. I like so much. The Angel Next Door is my favorite. Is really is my favorite. And I'm waiting for his season two's all episode. When all episode already released, then I'm gonna watch. So because I can't wait for next episode, I'm very curious about that. So that's why I I didn't start yet to watch. And I'm waiting for this. Well, man, seriously, I really like you, bro. You know, I really like you. Oh man. So, what are you watching right now? I yesterday before yesterday I already complete One Piece, and then I watched Spy X Family. After that, I'm watching Jujutsu Kaisen again. I'm in arm wrestling these days. Oh, arm wrestling. Hmm, that's great. That's great. Mm. I never. Our country does not have that kind of sports, but yeah, I'm gonna try when I'm gonna go in your country. You know, EVW 23 ended yesterday. No, EVW. I don't know. No, no, no. Nobody know. Man, it's really. I'm really happy. You know, I'm really happy. So, which city you belong? Which city you belong? Which city you belong, bro? Which city you belong? Man, it's really right. I, I, what I'm gonna say? I'm so happy, you know. So, which city you belong? Which city you belong, buddy? Which city you belong? I like, I also like Fuji. I also like Mount Fuji, and what I want to say, yeah, I like, man. And what I want to say, I really want to go someday. Yeah. Give us Mari, Baswaga, Gabi S Mari, Gabi S Mari. Gabi S Mari. Sorry, but I don't understand what I was saying. Sorry, bro. I don't understand what I was saying, bro. I don't understand, but it's great to meet you. Hey, wait a second. Can you be my friend? And I'm not a bro. Okay. So what am I call you? So give me your nickname, okay? So I'm gonna call you that. What is your nickname? What is your nickname? Can you be my friend? I wanna just see your wait. Send me your username. I will my Discord link attached with my account, so you can go there. My username is that name. Is my channel name is my username. So you can go. You can click my profile and visit my account, and you can see. You can see my Discord link. You know, I wanna see your festivals and your fireworks and lots of things. So, do you mind? You be my friend. So maybe I can go right now, but I can see if you take a picture and click me. Oh yeah, Sasi Idai. Si Sia 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 Sidai. Send sticker. Hey, this is your name. I can pronounce your name. It's kind of hard for me maybe. Sia C D Sia Sidai. Sia Sidai. Sia Sia Sidai. This is your name. Oh man. What do I call you? It's a CSC die or maybe I think I am pronouncing wrong. Siasidai, Siasidai, or what am I call you? What am I call you? Siasidai or yeah, just say me Arisu. Okay, Arisu. Yeah, and yeah, okay. I'm call you Arisu. Yeah. Oh man. I never try sushi also. I wanna try sushi also. My friends told me sushi is really good, so I wanna try sushi. I actually I like all of things, your food and dresses, culture, and your everything, festivals and everything, bro. Sorry, Arisu. I like all of this, bro. I'm sorry. Not again. Arisu, okay? Man. So, which city you belong right now? Thank you. Haihachi, Misahima. Haihachi Misahima. What do you mean Haihachi Misami? Hima. Haihachi Misahima. What do you mean Haihachi Misahima? Yeah, you can teach me also. I wanna learn two more language. I only know two languages, Bengali and Hindi. I wanna learn two. You look like him. Uh, mm, I'm look like him. Who? I'm look like him. Who? Who, man? And I wanna learn two different language. Norwegian and Japanese. So, um, I think you can teach me also. Oh, Heihachi Masihima. Oh, I see. Now I understand. I forgot those two character name. I forgot those character name. I watched a long time ago, but just I will watch one time. So after that I never watched. So but it's still my favorite. But it's kinda like what am I gonna say? It's kind of disappointing. This is my favorite. I didn't know. I didn't remember that name. I know uh, Greenman. Oh, I know Greenman. English, Japanese, Russian, like Germany, English, Japanese, Russian. Oh man, lots of language. I know already, and I know only Bengali, Hindi, and nothing. Those two, Bengali and Hindi, and I wanna learn Norwegian and Japanese too. So you can teach me when you're free. Oh, good. Yeah, you can teach me when you're free. Oh man. So hey, how your days going? How your days going today? How your days going? And what is the time right now in your country? You look tall. Yeah, I'm also tall. Yeah, of course I'm tall. Yeah, of course I'm tall. I'm tall. I'm maybe 5.9 or something around like that. 5.9 or something around like that. 10:30 p.m. Oh, it's night. Our country is wet. It's 19 o'clock. Oh, 5.9, yeah. Around like that. It's not exactly 5.9. It's like 5.9 or maybe some. It's it's around. So, how your day is going? And what about your night plan? You have any plan for night tonight, or just a normal night, just like normal, like normal. Everything is fine. Oh, that's great. Oh man, seriously, I really enjoying our conversation, bro. I really enjoying. So, what I'm gonna say? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? I wanna try lots of kind of food. Davia, Pitawa, Davia. Man, I never heard about that name. I only know about sushi, nothing else. I just know about only sushi, nothing else. Only sushi and ramen. I just know about sushi and ramen. I know sushi, ramen. I know because of Naruto and One Piece and sushi. Yeah, sushi I heard about with my friends. So I know only those two dishes, sushi and ramen. Oh, nice. Yeah. So, how old are you? You are older than me or younger than me? How old are you? You're older than me or younger than me? Man. Oh man. Seriously. I really wanna go someday. That's my dream. And I will. I will go someday. I will go someday. I'm 17. 17, so you younger than me. Oh, that's great. You're younger than me. Okay, okay, okay. What am I gonna say? So, mm, uh, do you like manga or something else without anime? What do you like for watch? Anime without anime? I'm trying to think. I'm thinking right now. Trying. I'm gonna read manga, but I never try to read manga, so I'm just thinking. Movies, movies. That's great. That's great. That's great. I it's barely it's rarely I watch movies. I most of the time just watching anime or sometimes I uh, watch web series or maybe sometimes web series, but most of the time just watching anime. So that's it. So what am I gonna say? Wait a second. Did you watch any Big Three or something else? Did you watch any Big Three? It's I watch all Big Three. Every single one is good, and I think One Piece is also good. Yeah, One Piece and what I want to say, it's really good. So, so what about your plan today? Guess what? Guess guess what? What do you mean guess what? Guess what? What do you mean guess what? I'm 5.6. You're 5.6. You are 17. You're 17. Are you 5.6? Oh man, so you like in my height, just maybe a little bit short, but you also tall. Oh really? I like you. Oh man, Arisu, you are really good. My brother is 6.47. Oh man, you have a tall family. Your all family member is tall. Man, 6.47. It's so tall. He way taller than me. Your brother is way taller than me. Man, that's great. Yes, pretty much. Of course, your brother is way taller than me. And so, what I want to say, yeah, like, which city you belong? It's which city you belong? Which city? Already told you. Wait, it's Nakagisha. My dad is 6.2 and my mom is 5. Oh, go to watch. Okay, okay. Man, everyone is so tall. Everyone is so tall. Man. Hmm, that's great. That's great. Everyone is so tall. Hey, yeah, if when I'm gonna go, my father is German. German? Oh, oh, your mother? Your mother is Japanese. Your father is German, so that's why you know Germany language, right? Your father is German. Yes. Ah, that's great. That's great. Mm, hey, when I'm gonna go in your country, can you show me around in all city? I know I'm gonna go someday, so can you show me around? I wanna see all of this. I wanna see all of this, and I wanna enjoy it actually. Yes, of course. It sounds good. Yeah, I remember that. Okay. Mm, I remember that. It's great. I'll be back, guy. I'll be back. Okay, okay. And one more thing, if you like, so follow me, okay? So it's gonna be help for me. It's a big help. So if you like, you can follow me. Okay? Are you going somewhere? Or maybe are you going somewhere right now? Are you going somewhere? Oh man, I really wanna go someday, and I'm gonna enjoy all of this. I wanna enjoy all of this, bro. I wanna enjoy all of this. And good evening, guys. Good evening, bro. Those are watching my stream at the first time. Everyone chat, okay? And everyone chat, bro. Everyone chat, okay? Everyone, bro. Everyone chat, guys. Every single one. True. Oh man, I really wanna go someday, and I wanna try. Those two countries my favorite actually. No, I have a lots of favorite country, but I wanna I wanna go at first those two countries. First Norway, and second is Japan. First Norway and second is Japan. And welcome, guys, welcome to the stream, and I hope everyone is good. So say something, okay? And if you like, so just go ahead, say something, and say it, okay? I really want to talk to you guys. I really want to talk to you. And those are watching my stream at the first time, you can ask me anything, okay? You can ask me anything and anything. Just go ahead and ask me, okay? Just go ahead and ask me. Just go ahead and ask me, bro. And I hope everyone is good, so say something, okay? And it's great to meet you guys. It's great to meet you. It's great to meet you, bro. It's great to meet you guys. Great to meet you. Thinking properly. I need to be improve myself. I need to more focus myself. Like it's a normal thing. I need to care about more. Uh, those are normal. Those are necessary. I need to care about more. Those are necessary actually. Like drinking, exercise, and sleeping, and yeah, drinking, eating, sleeping, and exercise. I need to do properly those things. So maybe I can improve my energy, and I can do better. Then I can do better. So, how are you guys? How are you? And I hope everyone is good. So, say something, guys. Okay, those are watching my stream at the first time. Say something, guys. Say something. And I hope everyone is good. So, say. And welcome, bro. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Oh man. So, how are you guys? How are you? So guys, welcome to the stream and good evening, guys. Okay, those are watching my stream, good evening, and I hope everyone is good. So say something, guys. Okay, those are watching my stream at the first time. Okay, everyone say something, guys, and say it. Okay, how are you? What are you doing? What do you like or not? What do what is your hobbies or some things? Hi, hello Mohit, hello, welcome to the stream, buddy. Welcome to the stream. Hello Mohit, how are you, buddy? It's nice to meet you again. Mohit, bro, how are you? Yo, buddy, yo. What's up, buddy? What's up? What's up, bro? And how are you? What's up, buddy? How are you, bro? Mohit, how are you, buddy? And everyone chat, okay? Those are watching my stream at the first time, guys. Everyone chat, bro. Everyone, okay? And it's great to meet you, guys. Great to meet you all. It's great to meet you all. But guys. It's great to meet you all, buddy. So, what are you doing right now? मोहित क्या कर रहा है भाई? अभी क्या कर रहा है ब्रो? एंड सभी को स्वागत है हमारे स्ट्रीम पे, जो भी स्ट्रीम पे आ रहे हो, ठीक है? सभी को स्वागत है ब्रो हमारी स्ट्रीम पे, जो भी यार स्ट्रीम पे आ रहे हो. एंड वेलकम सभी को जो भी स्ट्रीम पे आ रहे हो, ठीक है? सो बताओ. जस्ट गेटिंग रेडी फॉर माई फ्रेंड्स एल्डर सिस्टर वेडिंग. Oh, friends, elder sister wedding. Oh, that's great. That's great. Man, your friend's elder sister wedding today. Oh man, that's great. So have enjoy. Just enjoy. Oh man, so you're gonna enjoy today is too much. Yeah. I wish you enjoy too much. Just go all out and enjoy. Enjoy, bro. Just go all out and enjoy, buddy. Oh man, I wish I'm gonna with you right now. I'm back, yo. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. I wish I'm with you right now. So I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna enjoy it too. Man. So have fun, buddy. Enjoy the wedding, bro. Have fun and enjoy. So what am I gonna say? Are you going right now or maybe later? You are preparing right now or maybe later? You wanna go in wedding right now and later? Hello Versace, hello buddy, hello, welcome buddy, welcome back, and good evening. Welcome back, buddy. Welcome back, and good evening. So, You are frozen from 2 minutes. 2 minutes? Stop moving. Wait, what happening? Seriously? Uh, right now, it's. What about right now? It's okay or maybe it's not. What about right now? It's frozen or just going like smooth. What about right now? Mm, meditate. Meditated. Frozen. Meditated. I will go in 15 minutes maybe. Okay. Quit time. Quit time. Quit time. What do you mean? Uh, not talking to. Not talking. No moving. Only meditate. Oh, you are gonna do just meditate? Why? Right now? I don't think I'm ready for this. Okay. How many times I can do? I I can I can do meditate maximum maybe 10 to 15 minutes I can do. I did before, but I can only do, it's my maximum time is 15 to 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. That's my maximum time. That's my maximum time. That's my maximum time. Oh man, meditation is good. Meditate, man. So how your days going? Versace, how your days going? You also going on wedding or maybe just at home? You also going wedding? Versace, you also going wedding? You are also going wedding with Mohit? You also going wedding with Mohit or not? Oh man. And everyone chat, okay? Those are watching my stream at the first time, bro. I really enjoy to talk to you. I really enjoy to talk to you guys. Seriously. I really enjoy. So, you also going to wedding with no more talking. Only meditate. Only meditate. How many times? Okay. How many times? How many times? How many minutes? Sorry. It's 5 minutes or 2 minutes. Yes, you need to relax. Okay. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? I feel like I don't feel like it's fun. No speak. Speak slowly. No, speak slowly. Don't repeat now. Okay. Hey. Yes, perfect. So, what are you trying to do? Now, you are professional streamer. So that's it? That's it? I'm become professional? Let's go to celebrate. So let's go to celebrate, guys. Let's go to celebrate. I'm becoming professional. So calm down. No, calm down. Okay. Oh, I thought I'm becoming professional, so I think we need to go celebrate together. Okay. This is fun actually. I don't think it's funny. I don't know why. I just feel like it's fun. Yes, you get excited like popping. Yes. I don't know, but I feel like so excited. I just feel like excited. It's like my cells try to break free and come out with my body. Like my cells try to break my skin and make a break free. Oh man. Anyway, so how it is going? How are you? How are wedding arranged in your area next? Uh, what am I gonna say? I can't say I can't say anything about that because I don't much care about that actually. Actually, I don't care about anything, so I can't say that, bro. Maybe 2 years, maybe since 2 years I never go any wedding or maybe some any festival. I present in any festival, but I didn't go any wedding in maybe in this 2 years. Under 2 years, I didn't go any wedding ceremony, so I can say that I can say anything about wedding in our area. And hey, Aris, are you still watching? Aris, are you still here? So talk to us. It's gonna be fun. Aris, are you still there? So if you're there, so you can talk to us. It's gonna be fun. Arisu, are you still there? And thank you guys. It's I. What I wanna say. I'm excited about that actually. I don't know why. I yeah because of I take a I sleep properly today. That's why I think that's why I feel like more excited. And and most of the day I slept. I slept overslept or maybe like not sleep properly. So that's why today I sleep properly. So maybe that's why I'm so excited. I think maybe I'm not sure actually, but it's great to enjoy and be excited. What do you think about? What do you think? It's nice to excited and enjoy, I guess. And everyone chat, okay? Those are watching my stream at the first time, bro. Everyone chat, bro. Those are watching my stream at the first time, okay? I think I need to do exercise or something. I just stopped my exercise. Maybe 2 weeks. Ever since 2 weeks, I didn't do any exercise. You know, ever since 2 weeks, I didn't do any exercise. So I need to start my exercise again, and I need to do exercise and drinking properly. I need to be more careful about myself. So yeah, so that's why maybe it's a little bit, but maybe that's why I can improve my stream a little bit. Maybe I don't know how, but I feel like that way. That's why I feel like that way, bro. That's why. So what about your plan, Versace? What about your plan today? What about your plan? What about your plan, Versace? What about your plan today? You have any plan? Mohit is going to wedding. What about you? I'll meditate for 5. Seriously, 5 hours. How? It's like this. Close your eyes. Which close your eyes or just like this. Open your eyes. Just like that. Just like that, or how like this. How in India people meditate as well. Yeah, but Indian people like meditate like that way. They close their eyes and do it like this. Indian people do it like this, bro. something you need to do. Mm, because you are moving too much. Repeat the word. uh, like this. Indian people are doing like this. How do you do? It's like this. With open your eyes or yes, calmly. Okay. Am I doing correct? Man, जब तुम बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्थ में तो हो तो तुम एक बगर स्टीमर जैसे लगोगे. Hey bro, can you tell me in English? I can actually, it's hard to read. My Hindi reading is not good, so can you tell me in English why? जब तुम बहुत ज़्यादा tell me, let me ask you something. Okay, of course, why not? Are you Indian? How you don't know to read Hindi? Yeah, because I'm in our state. It's Bengal state, so we know only Bengali, so that's why. That's why, bro. We are in Bengali. So that's why. Yeah, most of the people read Hindi, but I can't. And I never try to read because I don't wanna. Because I don't wanna, bro. That's why. But I can speak. I can speak, but I can't read. I can speak, but I can't read. That's my problem. Man, that's my problem. আমি জানতাম না এই যে oh, so yeah, India have lots of language. So India have lots of language. You know, uh, actually actually it's my fault. It's not. I don't wanna. It's not. It's just an excuse. I don't wanna to read and I don't wanna to learn. It's just excuse actually, because I'm not good enough. So that's why I'm always excuse. Make excuse like that way. I don't like and I don't wanna. So that's why I just most of them just make excuse myself. And actually, it's true is it's my fault. It's hard to read. I'm not good enough to read. So that's why. That's the truth, bro. Actually, no, I telling the truth. It's not. I don't wanna earn. I don't want to learn to read. How to I read? It's it's I'm so weak. So that's why. That's why, bro. That's why. What I wanna say. That's it. So it's what am I gonna say? I think okay, yes. That's why. I think that's why. That's why. That's why. Actually, I'm making excuse all the time, so that's why. And I never talk to my friend with chit chat also, so that's why I'm too weak. I never chit chat with my friends with like in text way. I never chit chat with my friends with text way, so that's why I'm also weak. That's why. And I'm just all the time watching anime, so maybe it's English is better than my Hindi. I think, yeah, maybe it's better than Hindi. My English is better than Hindi maybe. If I understand the trans translation, this translations clock being to like yesterday memories into the toaster. Okay, toaster which was unfounded because that bread was already committed to a life geomority. Hey bro, I mean I'm not a popper. I just know all the basic man. Man, yeah, I know all the basic. Yeah, but I'm gonna try. Wow, that was so funny. Yeah, what's so funny? Yeah, I'm gonna try, bro. It's not yeah, it's for you funny, but yeah, I'm gonna try. Tell me yes or no. What? But yeah, of course funny. Yes. What? What I want to tell? Go ahead. I'm gonna tell truth. I don't wanna lie. I serious. I don't wanna lie. I don't gonna lie. I'm saying truth. Okay. Go ahead. What? What is it? What is it? What is it? Go ahead. I'm gonna tell truth. I'm not gonna lie. Go ahead. Oh man, you wanna say something? Go ahead. I have to go somewhere, so uh, I need to up my stream. So what is it? What is it, bro? What is it? So we must raid. So we must raid. Okay, of course. Remember, relax. Okay. 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 Which one wanna so raid someone? I don't know no one. So you can raid someone. Anyone. Okay. Anyone you like. You can raid anyone you like. Go ahead. You can raid anyone you like. Anyone. Hey, can you read if I end my stream, so can you read that time? Okay. I don't know. If I end my stream, so can you read after a stream? I don't know. But I thought I can, I think I can do. I don't know you guys can do it or not. You guys also can do you said that what? What? Okay, go find someone that you have to go. Yeah, I have to go. So yeah, I'm gonna end my stream. So yeah, read someone if you wanna and you have anyone. You do it. No, you do it. I don't know anyone. Wait, let's see. Anyone is streaming right now or not? I don't think it's anyone is stream right now. Just a sec. No, no one is stream right now. So you can raid anyone you like. You can raid anyone you like. No one is stream right now. You can raid anyone you like. If you it doesn't let me do this. What? So I need to go. Oh, Davi, while the Davi, that's your favorite food. How can I message you? In Discord. You have a Discord. You can message me on Discord. Yeah, Discord. You can message me on Discord. Okay, do right. Okay, okay, go ahead. I can teach you. Yeah, I can do raid. Yeah, I know how to do raid, but I don't know which streamer we're gonna raid. I don't know which streamer we're gonna raid. Okay, Raid my friend. Okay, give me the name. Give me the name. Actually, it's hard to read in my mobile. Actually, I have only one device, so that's why. So, Arisu, I have you have a good day and good night. And oh man, okay. All you need to do is type read on chat and that the name. Okay, okay. Actually, it's hard. It's hard to type when I'm streaming. Actually, man, it's really hard to type when I'm streaming. But I'm gonna do. Yeah, I already know how to write. How to write. Actually, wait. Slash raid. Raid. What is the name again? What the hell? Wait. Yes, just D Dendo. Just Dendo. Okay. Just. Just. Red has been created. Yeah, I think I read it. Yeah, you did it. Yeah. Oh man, come say hi. Okay. Hey, Arisu. Okay, bye bye. Have a great day. Okay, and it's nice to meet you too. Okay, so bye bye, Arisu, and bye bye everyone. Wait for red finish. Okay, don't end yet. Don't end. So click red show. Okay. Okay, yeah, I did it. Okay, I did it already. Can I end my stream right now? Can I end right now? Can I end right now? And have a good day, okay? Everyone, have a good day. It's nice to meet you again. No, you must wait for it to rate. Wait for the rate. I think 15 second. 15 second. Oh, I think when I rate someone, so I need to wait 15 second. You see it on the chat. Thank you everyone for being here. Thank you for stream. Next, see you next time. Okay, bye bye. Hey, bye bye, bro. Okay, sorry, you. Everyone has a good day, good blessed time. Okay, same to you guys. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day. Okay, see ya, and be healthy and live well. Okay, see you guys. See ya.